Pompeii's are coming.
We're gonna go hike our guts out.
2 falls so far. I actually might really need a donkey.
It's like a never-ending story, because the past's never-ending.
Hola.
We're in Arequipa. We had a little bit of a late lie-in this morning.
Yeah. We didn't have a late lie-in.
Well,
I wouldn't call it a lie-in if you didn't go to bed until 6 a.m.
yeah, that's true.
So our overnight Peru hot bus came in at 5 a.m. this morning. Luckily, our room was ready at the hostel, so we
Straight on into bed.
I had a shower. Stinky here didn't.
No.
So we're staying at Eco Nune Hostel. It was 75 soles for a night, which is quite cheap. But this morning we had a little rest, dropped off our laundry, and now we're heading out in Arequipa.
Yeah.
Action.
We've been in town for a few days and I've really enjoyed it. Yesterday we went on a walking tour, which was fantastic. Free walking tour, you always get a tip at the end, but this one was well worth it. Today, Kelsie did some editing while I tried to learn Spanish, which I still suck at. We are about to walk up to see the sights. Where are we at?
We're at Yanawater's viewpoint, and you can see this mountain that we're climbing tomorrow.
We're climbing that thing.
Nah, just joking. We are climbing something tomorrow, but not that.
What's that thing called anyway, that mountain?
Misty Mountain. Mount Misty. It's a volcano. It erupts every 2,000 years. Last eruption, 2,000 years ago. Pompeii's are coming.
So at the top of this lookout, there's this lovely little park behind me, and of course another old church. And you can also see where the main square is, where we walked from, which didn't seem that far away, but looking at it, it's a bit of a hike. So yeah, interesting. Interessante.
Super early start. We're going hiking. We're getting picked up at 3 a.m. We're going to hike Colca Canyon. Colca Canyon is one of the deepest canyons in the world, twice as deep as Grand Canyon, and we are hiking down into it on one day and up out of it the next. It's meant to be really hard. Let's go.
It's 8 a.m. We're at an elevation of 3,200 meters. This is our second stop at a nice little overlook. Now we're gonna go hike our guts out. We're gonna go hike. Let's go. This is a Colca Sour, not to be confused with the Pisco Sour. First alcoholic drink.
It's 8 a.m. Jed.
When in Rome or when in Colca Canyon, you gotta drink Colca. I don't know. Tasty. Cheers, Ting. We're here at Condor Crossing. It's a popular spot. There is hundreds of people here, but the good news is there's a lot of condors. They're just kind of floating about, chilling on the thermals I think they need. On a sunny day they said it was good, but yeah, they just look so cool. They're just flying up in circles, chilling out.
We are off 2-day Colca Canyon trek. So we're doing our tour with Peru Baby Llama Tours. It costs $59 each. That includes our transport down and back, accommodation tonight, and our guide Evelyn. Today we've got 14 kilometers down. We're going from 300?
About 3,600, and we're going to go down 1,200.
Yeah, it's warming up. Been a little worried about getting sick because of the altitude. We had a couple of friends do this week, and one of them didn't make it past lunch today. So, still nervous. Jed said, just got to take it at our own pace, you know? So I might just shoot off ahead. We're about halfway to lunch, 2 hours down. Two falls so far.
2 epic stacks. Oh, we're still going.
Little tears.
Little blood.
Just got to make it to the bridge for lunch and then I can get a donkey.
Shaky knees. We can get there. Come on, let's go.
I think it's taken us 2 hours to do maybe 5Ks. Keep on keeping on.
Lucky the view's nice. My knees are killing me. My right ankle feels like it's going to explode. But it's nice. It's like real pretty around here.
Just found the 5k marker. We thought we were a little bit further ahead.
You gotta be joking. And these can't take much more.
So we made it to lunch. Had to go up a little bit after that bridge, and I actually thought I was going to die. So I'm a little bit concerned about tomorrow now. I actually might really need a donkey. Lunch though, it's 1:30, and then we have another 4 hours to go. Onwards. Afternoon part 2. We started up there. We found 2 dogs on the trail. Hey there. Hello. So I've got headphones in for the next bit. This is the test to see if I can do tomorrow. The Disney is helping. Made it to the second bridge. So close to pool.
We are 650 meters away from a pool and a beer. I thought I was going to die. I thought my legs weren't going to work for a little while there. But we didn't come all this way just to come all this way, you know? Talk to me after a bit.
Made it to our room in Sanjal Oasis. Full time, 5 p.m. We made it here. We left lunch about 2, I think, 2:30. I think I'm going to donkey it tomorrow. I was okay on the downhill, but the uphill I just couldn't take more than 4 steps without needing a break. And tomorrow is all up. We'll think about it.
Good morning, everybody. We're about to do the 5k all uphill hike out of the canyon. It's 20 past 4. We start hiking in about 10 minutes. Wish me luck. Okay, we're about to leave. Let's go hike 5 kilometers with an ascent of 1,000 meters. Oh my god. Ready? Stars are just about to go out, aren't they? Sun's slowly coming up. I don't know how far up we are. I've heard the valley's starting to light up. Kelsey's taking a donkey, which is really good because he gets to carry most of my heavy shit. It's a good morning. I'm trying to get up this hill before Kelsey catches me on the donkey. I don't think I've got much luck, but I'll keep plodding along. Stay tuned. Let's go, let's go. Oh, a bit of view out here too, actually. It's quite nice. Sorry for the heavy breathing. Just tough work. Oh, easier than yesterday though, I think. Or maybe I'm just delirious. I've spotted the first Peruvian taxis coming up. I don't think it's Kelsey though, thank goodness. I think I'm only halfway up. I do have to thank Kelsey though. She's let me her headphones in my ear, and I've got a banging playlist to try and get me through the hike. Oh, dying over here. Here they come. Oh, what a beautiful thing. Hold on. These horses are pretty incredible. Mules, I should say. They're going upstairs like this, like it's nothing. You gotta ration more water. It's like the never-ending story, because the path's never-ending. I don't know about the story bit. Oh god. Oh, that view's good though. That view is so bloody good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Glorious sunshine. That's just what I need. Not really. It's so much. Only another half hour to the top. Hopefully. No sign of Kelsey yet. She's probably gonna catch me. She's all the way down there somewhere. Oh. Could it possibly be? I think the top's just over here, near these gum trees. No, we're not in Australia. Just to prove it, I've never seen views like this. Guys, we friggin' did it. I think we friggin' did it. I think we got it. Man beats donkey, or mule. Man beats mule. Let's go. Yeah!
5:30 a.m. I had a little bit of a lie-in. I struggled a lot yesterday on the uphills, and I felt like it was just going to take me 5 hours to do this trek, so I decided to take a taxi. 70 soles, and I get to take my own little personal taxi up the hill. Off we go. I don't know if it's going to be as easy as I think it is. At least you got a little bit of sunshine. Nah, look, it's just first light. Got to walk a little bit first, and then I get to my mule, which is my taxi. The taxis.
Let's go, Soñado.
Here she comes on the mule. She's way down here at the corner. Yo, Kelsie, give us away. So comfy on the horse. She's a natural. Yes, guys. Couple of tired horses. Amazing. How was your mule? How was your ride up?
It was good, except when he fell down.
He fell over.
He was going around a corner and he fell down and the man was just like, stay on it. And I was like, ah.
Okay. And how does it feel knowing that your husband beat you up on foot when you had a meal?
I'm very impressed. We got about 3/4 up and I was like, we haven't passed anyone yet. They must have smashed it. Track recovery, hot springs. Just got to make it across the bridge. How hot's 38 degrees?
That's too hot. That's not 38 degrees. That's like, oh, it feels like at least 50. That is boiling. That's why this one's empty. Hey, oh,
Hot?
that's the hottest I've ever felt.
I'm going to 35 degrees. I think it's cooler. So many llamas, alpacas, and vicuñas. Let's see if we can pat one. Now we just have 2 hours back to Arequipa, and that is our Colca Canyon trek. What a wild time. Still have a whole day tomorrow in Arequipa, so we may do something fun if we are feeling energetic. Maybe. We'll see. We're back in Arequipa. We did not do anything fun today. We had
A relaxing
a
day.
relaxing
We
day.
needed our legs to recover just a little bit from all the hiking.
Tomorrow we have another early morning bus. Cusco!
Yeah.
Cusco-topia.
Schooltopia. I think we're gonna have to watch Emperor's New Groove
On the way.
on the way, perhaps. So it's adios, Arequipa.
Thanks for the workout.
Yeah. Thanks for all the negative calories. Bye.